In this lesson, we are going to learn a few words about a pepi, or baby. Pātara is bottle. Pounamu is also used for bottle. Ngote whakarata is a baby's dummy. Paraikete is a blanket. Kope is a baby's nappy. Tarau kope are pull-up pants. Waiu is breast milk. Miraka paura is baby milk. Wheru or kahumāku are both used for wet wipes. Tepu panoni is a baby's changing table. Taukaki is a feeding bib. Wahakura is a traditional baby sleeping pod. Turu waka haumaru is a car seat. Kahu mautahi or a kākahu urutahi are used to describe a onesie. Turu pepi is a baby's high chair. Kaka moe or pueru moe are pyjamas. Karapu mahana are mittens or warm gloves. Tāpu pepi is a baby bath. Hiti moenga are bed sheets. And finally, oriori is a lullaby that you can sing to a baby. We will have some oriori in the waiata we have added. So practice singing to a pepi or baby when you have learnt the oriori or lullaby. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.